Hey y'all, welcome to another day of Jingle and Mingle Wine Gift Box. I don't know why I felt like playing it like it was a piano, but I did. And y'all was listening. Anywho, all right, so we have our day number 6 of our wine gift box. So let's pop this baby open. And day number 6. I think I showed y'all. Yeah, I showed you that they're not in order, which I really enjoy that. So let's see what day number 6 is. Oh, yes. It's another red. It's just a red blend from Portugal. So we have a Portuguese red wine. It is a red blend. And our glass for today says, as long as we have wine, the holidays will be fine. All right, let us pop this baby open. Before we get started, shirt for the day, it's just a bunch of gifts. And I have on my Christmas ornament leggings and just some red socks. Oh, and my elf slippers. I'm all Christmassy, child. This is just my time. It's my time, shine. Literally. All right, so let's get into this wine. Ooh, this one smells really fruity. Now, the wine yesterday said cherries. I didn't get cherries at all, but I'm getting cherries today. I'm getting a lot of red fruit, really. I'm getting some cherries. I'm getting blackberries. That's not a red fruit, I know. Fun fact, they actually are red when they're growing. And then they begin to turn color. Smells good. That's a really pretty garnet red. And I'm heating up some of my pizza from last night, so we're going to go with this. Hopefully this wine is good. And some people might wonder what the purpose of swirling is. It's just to open up your aromas. It really does help. And if you noticed, I smelled it from the bottle first, because when you're trying a new wine, I often suggest, if you don't have the bottle, and say your maitre d' or your server or your sommelier brings out your wine in a glass, or they come poured at your table, if you don't have the bottle for yourself, before swirling it, you won't want to get a first sniff of the wine before you begin to open it up. So that's why I smelled the bottle first, and then I waited and told you what that smelled like. Then you swirl, and it opens it up to technically bring out more aromas. And this brings out more of the baking spices. So you got your baking spices. You definitely have those dark cherries. I'm smelling blackberries. It's very fruit forward on the aroma. It's jammy. It's not super dry. It has, it's kind of like that off dry where you're getting some sweetness, but you're also getting a little bit of dryness. It's really good. It's not tart. It has tannins, but tannins are like that, what bring out the dryness. So they're there, but they're not really like powerful. Lots of, oh gosh, that was almost like freeze dried strawberries on the back end. So it's pretty good. So this was going to be a quick short video, because for real, sometimes I don't feel like editing, and I really don't feel like doing a lot of editing today, because I still have 3 videos that I still have to edit outside of this one. This one will be 4, so we're going to keep this one short and sweet. I would definitely, I gotta scan the QR code and let y'all know what it says, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I forgot to tell y'all the name of it. It's Get Jolly by Golly. There it is. And the wine is so good. It's so smooth. It's not super powerful. It's not so bold. It's like perfect. So here's what the QR code said. It had ripe blackberries, cherries, plums, vanilla spice, which I don't get that. I don't get a creaminess or vanilla, but I do get the spice. I get the blackberries, which I told y'all. And now here's what their pairings were. Their suggestions were a Portuguese dish that I can't pronounce. Also manchego cheese, which I had for the first time last year, and grilled chorizo, and mushroom risotto. So those were the pairing suggestions that they have for this Get Jolly by Golly. I'm enjoying it. This is a great wine. It is going to go very well with my pizza that I'm going to put in the oven and reheat, honey. And I'm going to sit over there. I'm going to edit. I'm going to have my wine and my pizza. And that is going to be the rest of my evening. I'm going to be an editing fool. You hear what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed day 6 of our Jingle and Mingle wine advent, wine gift box, whatever you want to call it. Not me getting the auntie elbows. I've lost weight and I still got the auntie elbow. Anyway, girl focus. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. And tomorrow you'll probably get 2 videos. You'll probably get the wine video as well as another day of Vlogmas. This is so fun, and the only thing is sometimes the editing does get tiring, but it's still fun. It's still fun to do, so please don't think that I'm, complaining about that. So anyway, like I said, I'll talk to you guys later, and have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Bye.